Couldn't find any safety glasses.
I used to have a pair. I'm not worried about it. It's 7 a.m. Okay, so in the 8 years I've carried this thing, I could have gone to college and post-grad. I could have been a PhD by now. Instead, I just sat at home waiting for this thing to go off. So this morning, and I missed a gazillion family treasures. And I suffered a lot of anxiety. So this morning, I'm saying goodbye. Not this little box itself, but to what it represents, right, Tim?
Exactly.
All right. Thank you, Jesus. Isn't working. Isn't working. I'm gonna break the driveway.
You just do it till you feel good. Do it till you feel good.
Until I get wore out.
Yes. Alright, zoom in. We'll zoom in closer. Oh, look at that thing. It's gone.
No more suffering. Gone.
There's no more parts left.
I get to sleep. Next Saturday, I'm staying home.
Guess what? I get to sleep too.
Next Sunday, I'm going to church and not worrying about a beeper. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.